ilan lamang yung testigo. Maaari po bang malaman, ilan po bang testigo ipepresenta ninyo sa Article 7?
Actually po, just a preliminary. Yung pag-compliance naman po namin, part po ng, siyempre, ng a lawyer who will submit the list of his or her witnesses, yung pinaka kay tingin niya kailangan niya para naman hindi na rin mag-object syempre ang depensa later if you know call someone na wala sa list nyo. Sa amin po dito sa Article 7, ang napakahalaga po sa amin yung testimonya, syempre po no, hindi naman kailangan sabihin ng mga officers at ng Korte Suprema at mga justice. So ang amin pong testigos na ngayon, kasi gusto po namin i-cut down, in-instructionan na rin po kami ng prosecution na i-cut down ng number of witnesses kasi ayaw rin nating humaba. If we think that the witnesses are enough, so sa amin po, kung payagan po, at in fact we hope na payagan po sa Korte Suprema, mga 8 po siguro or siyam ang aming maipresenta.
Under Article 7 po?
Under Article 7
Huling
po.
bagay na lang po, Mr. Presiding Officer. Si Justice Sereno po ba nakausap nyo na? Naimbitahan nyo na ba siya ng personal at sabi ba niya, kailangan ko ng sabpina o ng imbitasyon mula sa Senado, kung hindi ako magpupunta dyan?
Ako po, personally, nag-usap po kami ng legal team na pumunta doon para kausapin yung Clerk of Court, Justice Sereno, upon, of course, the advice of the Senate President, na kausapin nyo naman ang witness nyo. Sa mahabang diskusyon po ng legal team po namin, in the end, ang sabi ng legal team, it's better not to go there at baka naman, you know, may allegations na you were trying to force her, influence, or so ang ano namin, hindi po ako personally or wala po akong personal na pag-alapit kay kay Justice Sereno.
Again, Congressman Ari.
Pero naglabas po kami ng isang yung request po namin na at least doon sa dokumento na nabanggit na naging ano po ng resolution
Again,
February 14.
Forgive me, Congressman Ari. Pag tumayo nga ho kayo dyan, kayo na nagsasalita para sa buong prosecution. Hindi ko tinatanong yung personal ninyong karanasan kung nakausap niyo siya o hindi. Nakipag-ugnayan na po ba ang prosecution sa kanya? At nagsabi po ba siya na isuhan lang ako ng imbitasyon? Isuhan lang ako ng sabpina, pupunta ako dyan. Dahil sa totoo lang, malaya naman po siyang pwedeng magpunta rito kung ninanais talaga niya eh.
Ayon po sa aming lead prosecutor, wala po silang personal na pagpunta kay Justice Sereno.
Huling bagay na lamang po, Mr. Presiding Officer, Congressman Harry, nalalagay ho kasi kami sa alanganin. Tuwing may testigo kayong gusto i-presenta rito, hinihingan niyo po kami ng sabpina. Nakatali din po ang kamay namin sa ilang pagkakataon. Sa totoo lang, naglitigate ho kayo, maski na nagpa-practice ho kayo, hindi ba? Obligasyon naman pangunahin ng prosecution ang alagaan ng kanilang testigo at i-presenta rito. At kung kinakailangan, halimbawa, kung 9 to 5 na siya, para naman hindi mabawasan yung sweldo niya, hindi maisuhan ng sabpina para magpunta rito. O sa ibang mga pagkakataon, tulad ng bangko, sige, pwede po yun. Pero may mga pagkakataon na hindi naman na ho kailangan ng sabpina and on your own. And it's your lookout to present these witnesses. Gayon din po sa depensa, pag turn na nila magpresenta ng ebidensya, lookout din nila yung mga testigo nila. At pareho yung batayan at standard na i-apply ng korte sa mga testigo nais nilang ipresenta. May nais nilang ipresentang justice din. I-apply po namin yung parehong rule doon na hindi po i-issue ng sabpina. Kung nais nilang voluntaryo magpunta rito, bahala ho sila. Tatanggapin sila ng maluwalhati basta ipresenta sila nung panig na nagpe-presenta sa kanila. Sana po maunawaan ninyo yung aming kalagayan kaugnay nun. Sana sikapin po ninyo. Sigurado ko naman, tatanungin ni Atty. Cuevas kinausap ka ba ng abogado ng depensa? Ganun naman ho yung palaging tanong ni Atty. Cuevas sa mga testigo kinausap nyo para magpunta rito Wala naman ho masama doon basta hindi siya nagsisinungaling at basta't nagsasabi siya ng totoo.
Salamat po. At actually po, ang nabanggit ko pa po sa kaso na ito, actually sabi ko, talagang pahirapan itong kaso na to kasi sa nature niya po, ang karamihan po ng witnesses po, very reluctant talaga mag-testify. Siguro dahil ang kalaban mo, Chief Justice ng Korte Suprema, kaya hindi po kami ganun kadali na makakuha po ng mga willing and cooperative witnesses. Pero tatangkain po namin na makakausap at least yung ilang mga witnesses. Siguro, simulan na namin itong sa Korte Suprema the moment that the impeachment court will allow the subpoena of the clerk of court, we will probably do that.
At hindi lamang po naman limitado sa Korte Suprema, maski na sarili ng testigo, si Secretary de Lima, maski naman po siya at hindi naman din kayo nagreklamo, nag-object, nag-invoke din siya ng executive privilege Sa ilang katanungan na ayaw niyang sagutin at sa palagay niya ay mababiolate. yung executive privilege, kaugnay ng kanyang komunikasyon sa Pangulo man o sa ibang mga testigo o tao na kumausap sa kanya kaugnay ng kasong ito. So ganun lang talaga yung pag-dribble siguro, bagsak ng bola. I hope that you will be able to work with this and through this and be able to still present your case adequately. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you po. We
Mr.
will try
President,
to
may
work
we-
within the difficulties po.
May we
Salamat po.
recognize Senator Lacson, Mr. President, and then Senator
Gentleman
Santiago for
from
the final
Cavite.
word.
Maraming salamat po. Nagpaalam ako kay kagalang-galang Senadora Santiago. Ginoong taga-usig, nabanggit nyo kanina, nagpulong kayong legal team at napagkaisahan ninyo, wag na lang tumuloy para kausapin si Justice Sereno dahil baka isipin pinupuwersa o inimpluwensyahan ninyo. Bakit kami susubo nyo sa kinahiyan nyong gawin?
Ay, hindi po yan. Kami kasi
Ganun po ang gusto nyo mangyari. Salamat po.
Wala. Wala po kaming poder po na katulad ninyo po na magsubpina kay Justice Sereno po. Pero, yes, ang nabanggit ko po kanina kay Senator Chis, we will attempt to talk to the witnesses ng Korte Suprema pag isubpina, kung sakaling isubpina na po sila ng Korte Suprema, ng impeachment court po.
Finally, Mr. President, Senator Miriam Santiago.
The lady senator from Iloilo.
Mr. President, allow me to address this question to the prosecution panel as a group. What on earth were you thinking? You were asked to tell the court early in the opening of this impeachment trial, how many witnesses will you present? You answered 100. It was in all the banner headlines of all the major newspapers. Now you're telling us you will present maybe in effect 15 at most. I repeat, what on earth were you thinking? Were you playing games with us? You know that when the judge asks you how many witnesses you will present, that is not binding on the lawyer. The judge has no power to limit the number of witnesses. That is only an approximation. So if your answer is, we only wanted to make sure, then you could have approximated a figure relatively close to the about 15 or so that you will present. Why say 100? What on earth was going through your mind? Were you trying to mislead the court? Were you trying to conduct trial by publicity? And may remind you, prosecution panel, in the rules of the impeachment court promulgated by the Senate, the senators are themselves prohibited from making public statements on the merits of the case. How dare you make allegations about personal attacks concerning senator judges? Pare-pareho tayong nasa politika. Huwag nyo kaming lukuhin dito. Nanggagaling yun sa inyo. In the same way that maybe the defense is also engaging in the same practice, let's say, in self-defense, in its kindest light. Kaya huwag na kayong magpapaggapan dyan. Irespeto nyo ang impeachment court. Huwag kayong mga atake personal. Malapit na talaga akong mag-privilege speech dito tungkol sa sub-judice rule. Nagtatago kayo ha? Lumabas kayo dito. Ngayon, itong Article 3 ninyo, I'm reading from your complaint, in creating an excessive entanglement with Mrs. Arroyo through her appointment of his wife to office. What are you thinking? Excessive entanglement is a term of art in constitutional law that is applied in cases involving the separation of church and state. When you use the term excessive entanglement, that means this is a case involving the power of the state to regulate the activities of the church and vice versa. Don't use this term of art here because it has nothing to do with the church-state conflict. Pasiklab kayo ng pasiklab, you are using terms of art in law. Pwede ba? Sabihin nyo na lang, he was so close, therefore he could no longer maintain the independence or the cold neutrality of an impartial judge. Ganun na lang. Huwag na kayong gamit pa ng kung ano-anong salita sa constitutional law. Hindi tayo maintindihan pag tatawanan tayo ng mga students of constitutional law and all tripartite democracies like ours. Pag may term of art, huwag mong gamitin yan. Kung hindi ka sigurado kung anong meaning yan. Kaya tayo tumatagal dito eh. This all taking a toll on my physical condition. I have to make that of record. Because I think to myself, what will lawyers outside of our country think when they read the transcript? Saka habang nagbibista tayo dito, walang patid ang atake personal sa aming mga impeachment court judges, whether we are perceived to be in favor of the prosecution or of the defense? Ano ito? Trial by publicity? Are you hoping that you can frighten or threaten or intimidate the impeachment court into a decision in conformity with your own particular view of the law, which I must say sometimes bizarre. It's not only peculiar, but itself bizarre. So Byzantine that I cannot figure out what it is that you're trying to do. Pagkatapos sa gabi, Mr. President, I want our colleagues to know, there was a special newscast saying that UP students are going to conduct a referendum or a survey with 3 questions. Sa tingin mo ba, pwede pang manatili sa posisyon si Chief Justice Corona and others of like import? In the first place, no UP student with an IQ that is demanded of the state university will conduct that kind of a survey when only the prosecution has presented evidence. Wala pa nga nag-present ng evidence ang defense eh.